right, we're here in the vows of Globe Life Field. We just threw out the first pitch. I'm with my man Michael Irvin, the original 88, and Michael Irvin, MI 88. Wow, can you believe it? And this white boy, this brother right here is my man Paul Salfen, the entertainment guru with the Ultimate Hail Mary podcast. Mike, how you been, brother?
I'm doing well, man, and I think I threw a strike.
I think I threw one too. What happened with mine is the wind caught it. And it looked like it was drifting a little bit to the wrong side.
It was interesting. But you got it in there, buddy.
We got it in there. But it's pretty cool, Mike, to come out here and invite us to do this and throw out the first pitch, huh?
And to hang out with the guys in the dugout.
Yeah.
You know, you talk about these guys recently won a championship.
Right. Oh,
you know?
yeah.
So I get a chance to spend a little time with the Rangers.
Uh-huh.
Who won a championship. Spend some time with the Mavericks, who weren't in the championship, and I'm gonna try to put that voodoo that you in the Cowboys, so we can see the same.
Amen. Well, you get over there as soon as you can, because we got to start now with them.
Right,
you know what I'm saying?
Right.
We can't wait till training camp.
You know what, too? We haven't had Michael on the show yet, so we got to ask you what we ask every guest on the show. Your Hail Mary moment, that moment in your life or career, you had to go for it.
I love the question.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Coming off of what this man has done. You know, I was telling people I measure men all the time in distance travel.
Yeah.
When you're talking about, so apropos, when you're talking about going from undrafted to the Hall of Fame, going from the least or last in to the first place. That's distance travel. And it's so great that it's 88.
Yeah.
Because 8 in the Bible stands for new beginning. This man tells you, you
preach.
new beginning. Put the right work in, just like him. It's a great honor to wear 88 after he has worn it.
Right on.
Yeah.
And I'd say there's a reason there's a legacy, because I did what I did it, but it's not a legacy till the next person takes it and does more than that. And that's what Michael did. He took it and did more. Individually, Hall of Fame, but team, 3 Super Bowls. You got any rings, man? Where the rings?
Play fake is going to throw. Good protection. Throws the ball out. Nice catch. Irvin on the left sideline, escaping at the 25. Down to the 40 with a block. Turns right and left again at the 40. And Irvin to the 25. And Irvin gets a block from Novacek to the 5. And Michael Irvin goes 87 yards. Touchdown, Cowboys.
I'll be right back. Good to see you.
That's a Hall of Fame ring. That's Super Bowl.
Yes.
That's how you do that.
Wow.
People might tell you.
Wow.
15 and 16. That's awesome.
Wow.
You're welcome. You're used to that, huh?
There we go.
All right, rub that and get good luck.
There's a security gate right there.
We're at the Ranger game. I just threw out the first pitch, and now I'm with Chef Alex Cosa, who hooked us up with a nice pregame meal. That's why my stomach's bulging a little bit, because I ate good. Thanks, Chef Alex Cosa. Give me some, Coach. All right, keep cooking, all right? Now get back in the kitchen. Come on, man. Thank you, Alex. Hey, Alex.
All right. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
One left. Hey, what up, man? All right. You all right? Let's see you, brother. Are you good? Put it on.
Yeah. Great leadership wants you to do better. And I told him what you said to me. I said, wow. As I thought about it years later, I said, Drew asked me, he said, man, you step on my ceiling. I'd raise 8
Preach, brother.
You step on my ceiling and make it your floor, you take it higher. When people were talking about CD breaking the record, see, they're breaking your record. See, he's not breaking my record. He's extending the 88
record.
That's the
what
reality.
he's doing.
And that keeps all of us alive and kicking.
And that's what Dez did when he took over.
What Dez did.
He's our all-time touchdown leader.
And
that's 3 Hall of Famers. He got more touchdowns than.
And I love that. And I love that we communicate. You know what I mean? So don't even try.
Don't even try it.
Nothing.
Don't even try it.
Because it ain't gonna work.
And sometimes we even let Post Malone up in here. We let the postman up in here. Hey, he's honorary. That's our boy. All right. All right, Mike. Good stuff, man.
Always.
All right. You're always hanging.
That's right.
Paul.
Yes.
All right. All right. We'll be back with more of the Ultimate Hail Mary Show, coming to you from Arlington, Texas, Globe Life Field. Hut in the bowels of Globe Life Field. Hut.
Drew Pearson, Pro Football Hall of Fame member, and co-host Paul Salfen share unique perspectives on all things sports, celebrities, pop culture and more. This is the place for original content, including the always popular Hail Mary Heroes, with great guests and entertaining interviews. This will become your new favorite sports and entertainment talk show, produced by Phazz Studios.
Drew Pearson live.
I know you didn't say Drew Pearson.
Drew Pearson, number 88.
Number 88. What
That's
are you
right.
talking about?
Yeah.
The catch.
That's right.
Come on.
Yeah, the legend.
Drew, man. Best.
Cowboys legend. Yeah.
All right.
E-A-G-L-E-S-E.
Hold me back.
It's Dallas week, baby. It's Dallas week.
Oh, man. Big week, man.
Now, Drew Pearson wanted us to ask you your Hail Mary moment, that moment in your life or career you had to go for and it worked out. Please, because that was.
Oh, my Hail Mary moment?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing like his. Nothing like his. I can promise you that.